If you click on this drop down here and you go to Edit Playpack, you'll actually switch over to the editor creator side of Volta. And here you'll see a lot of, like, many more options for how to customize and control Volta. So if you look at this list here, you'll see what we call elements. And an element is just a visual thing that goes into a world. And that can be basic primitive shapes. It can be all of these little trippy effects that you see here. Each one of those is a different element. And when I click on them, so for example, if I click on, let's click on one of these cubes in the middle of the world. So I'm actually going to make it so you can see it a little bit more clearly. So I'm going to click on this one here. And so you can see that there's this sort of like wireframe here. And what it does is it pulls up the transform of that element. So you can move it, you can rotate it, you can scale it. If I click on any of these tabs here, not only does it let me change it numerically, but I can actually click and drag anything and I can customize any aspect of the world. And then you'll see below that, there's a number of options to customize that element as well.